Friends, the CM Conect program is one of the flagship programs now for this government. It is a program through which we are reaching out to the people and bringing our administration closer to the people. We are ensuring that the schemes and the programs that are meant for the people at the grassroots, are they receiving those schemes and benefits or not? Is there any shortcoming in the work that we are doing? And can we do small things to improve the overall development and living standards of the people at the grassroots level? Through these different CM Connect programs, we are realizing that small interventions can actually make a very big difference in the people's lives. In the last 5 CM Connect programs I have had, 2 at district level and 3 at village levels, I have seen that people come up with basic issues and problems which don't require too much of intervention. It just requires us to streamline the process. And therefore, I expect that we'll be able to improve the overall governance and performance of this government and the administration by a huge percentage by simply listening to the people, connecting with the people, and trying to resolve the issues of the people with the intention of helping them. So without any further delay, I would like to start this public hearing. I know it is very hot. Some of you have not experienced this kind of heat also because we've come from different locations. But these are the conditions under which some of our citizens have to stay and live. And this is also in a way one experience for all of us to really see how the work happens at the grassroots level. So I hope that this CM Connect is not just a CM Connect, but it's a government connect. It's an official connect. It's a public connect. It's a chance for us to do something better and make the lives of the people for whom we all are working a bit better than what it is today. So with this thought process, I would like to start this particular CM Connect. I would request all our officers that I'll be calling you, so please be ready. As soon as the public comes up,